Huawei P30 global version smartphone. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver Huawei P30 global version smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. I will put a B2B contact link below the video. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. Okay, let's continue to review Huawei P30 global version smartphone. It is a 6.1-inch OLED display, 19.5 to 9 radio, 422 ppi density. Resolution is 2340 pixels by 1080 pixels. It supports HDR10. Operating system is Android 9.0 Pie operating system. And its CPU is high silicon Kirin 980 7nm chip. Octa core 2.6 GHz. It supports nano memory card up to 256 GB by nano memory card. And its memory storage have 64 GB long, 8 GB LAN, 128 GB long, 6 GB LAN or 8 GB LAN, or 256 GB long, 8 GB LAN. It have 4 cameras. Selfie film camera the camera is 32 megapixel, f2.0 aperture, and its main camera are triple cameras. 40 megapixel f1.8 aperture. Telephoto camera is 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture. Ultra wide camera is 16 megapixel f2.2 aperture with Leica optical dual LED flashlight. And the battery built-in is 3650 mAh battery built-in. Supports 5 volt 4.5 ampere to 22.5 watt fast battery charging. It supports fingerprint. You can choose the version fingerprint under the display. Supports 3.1 Type-C to USB port, NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, Kips 5.0. The phone have Aurora color, sunrise color, briefing crystal color, black color, pearl white color. Okay. This one is Aurora color. Now let me try the camera for you. We can see the details of the camera super clearly. We can see 30 times zoom. It supports all the Google applications and here are all the language menus it supports. Supports dual nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and 1 memory card. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. The color box is global version with one piece image sticker, 1 piece eject pin, 1 piece silicon case, Very good quality silicon case. 1 piece warranty certificate. 1 piece manual. The manual supports some languages. 1 piece 5V 4.5 ampere fast charger. 1 piece Type-C to USB cable. 1 piece headphone. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages. That's all.